Check out this 2008 Toyota Tundra 2-wheel drive truck. Carfax has certified this Tundra 2-wheel drive truck as having one owner. This Tundra 2-wheel drive truck has just under 78,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This Tundra 2-wheel drive truck boasts a 5.7-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, CD player, tinted windows, driver airbag and sliding rear window. Call 803-799-1234 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.